Welcome, today I'm showing how to link or unlink Google Assistant option from power key into a XIAOMI Redmi Note 11s. Firstly, open your settings, then scroll down to the bottom and go into additional settings. Then go into Gangster shortcuts, and here, first option in this list we got Launch Google Assistant. So activate this option, start using Google Assistant, and let's try. Press and hold, and how you can see Google Assistant is activated. For turn off this option, tap again, and this position of switcher it's turn off. This is activated. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.